day out today. I'm riding down here on Charles Boulevard, Metro Automotive, and see check on my other truck, my GMC, and see what's going on with it. They supposed to be extracting the starter bolt for me. I ain't did that shit. My truck been in that motherfucker here for about 5 months. You know what I'm saying? 4 months to 5 months. You know what I'm saying? I'm still waiting. He got some workers that walked out on him. Mr. Thomas, and he got a new crew out. So, you know, I'm trying to see what they got going on. You know what I'm saying? So, this is a video of my truck and where it stands at as of today. I got to do it. I ain't been down here to check on it in about 2 weeks or so. It's been cold as fuck. But he right here at Metro. Right here. So this will keep everything updated. Keep everything updated. See what's going on with it. Yeah, that's my green Sonoma right there. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. You know, we got the doors open. Let me run right quick. Shit, my shit straight. They still ain't fucking with nothing. Speaker box. Y'all still in that motherfucker. Yeah. Everything's still in my truck. Where it's supposed to be at. Yeah, everything's still. I'm right here on goddamn Charles Boulevard. Had to run in there and check on them. Everything's still there. I got a goddamn look like I'm gonna have to put my dollar on my bitch. And goddamn pull my shit on up here to the house. You feel me? Yeah, just leave my truck checking on those green Sonoma. Yeah. Damn.